Today we're going to be making watermelon popcorn. Today we're going to be making watermelon popcorn, and what we're going to be using is this flossine by Gold Medal. It's a Gold Medal product. This is used for making cotton candy. It's a very concentrated flavoring, and what you do is you actually mix this with sugar to make floss sugar, and that's what you put in a cotton candy machine. So we're going to be using this along with sugar, and we're going to mix some up so we can use it in our kettle corn machine. I have here a cup of sugar. Put that in there, and then we're going to put in here about a tablespoon, a little bit more than a tablespoon of watermelon flossine. And then what we'll do here is we'll mix this up. I wear gloves just because this stuff will stain your fingers pretty badly. It's very, very concentrated. Now I'm going to be using about a cup and a half of this. So we're going to add a little bit more sugar to this, and we're going to be adding a little bit more flossine. And about another half a cup or so of sugar, and we'll give it about another half of a tablespoon of flossine. And we'll mix that up. Right there. All right, we'll fire up our kettle corn machine and we'll add that once it starts popping. Cup and a half of corn oil and 3 cups of kernels. All right, we got our corn and our corn oil heating up here. We'll wait for it to start popping just a little bit. There we go, there's a couple kernels popping. Now we're gonna add the watermelon and sugar combination. Now it's a cup and a half because we're using 3 cups of kernels. We use a cup and a half of the sugar watermelon mix. Now. Starting to feel a little bit of the watermelon now as it's popping more and more. Nice and colorful, nice watermelon. Turn off the heat. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, look at that nice red watermelon popcorn. Mix it around a little bit, start to cool it off. Really hot right now. As it starts to cool, it'll start to harden more candy coating. Look at some of the coatings on that right there. That one really got a lot of the flavor, and you can see it all in here. Give it a try. Oh yeah, it's got a really great candy coating flavor. Watermelon candy. It's a little bit crunchy, really sweet, really nice. That is some really great popcorn. So get popping.